Hi, my name is Mubashra Sheikh. I am a software engineer from Mumbai University. And after my engineering, I became a freelancer. And I also became a freelancing coding tutor. So during my freelancing career and a coding tutor, I get to interact with a lot of students globally of different age groups. So I get to know what experience they have, what are they aiming for, the different personalities. So I also help them achieve whatever their goals is, and also to help them guide them at whatever their future path can look like based on their personality. So during my freelancing career up ahead, so I met a lot of students, and I helped them actually choose a career path maybe around IT, but also depending on their personalities and whatever their preferences are. So I help them choose whatever flow or whatever detailed career they would want to opt for and what would actually be suitable for them. So this actually inspired me and helped me to maybe become a career counselor, to actually become a professional certified career counselor. So I have had a few students as well, which I guided them, and they were really happy actually currently in with their career, and so hence I decided to become a certified and a professional career counselor through Infigon. So while searching for a certification career, I focused on things like, for example, career development theories, like the Holland's career theory, someone who can teach me in depth about that. Apart from it, understanding the current job market, like how it is and this ever evolving career job markets which we have. So someone who can help me with that. Then regarding the assessment tools and the psychometric tests, how to read them, understand them, and also some certification course which would help me increase or help me enhance my communication skills, so that I can communicate with my clients better, get to understand them, and help them choose their career path. And apart from this all, also someone who can help me market up ahead, because I think this is one of the skills which maybe I kind of lack. So all in all, I believe these were the things which I did find in Infigon, and that was this is the reason why I chose. Right. Since I was interacting with quite a lot of people, I was confident that I can help people choose their career. And so on Instagram, actually, I saw an ad, and I researched around it, that how Infigon will be helping, make me be a counselor. And so I spoke to a couple of people in the team. I had a couple of questions around, and I was really impressed with the amount of support they are providing, and like they will be providing, especially around dealing with clients, how to get them on board, especially the marketing part. So that is the thing which actually impressed, or this is how I discovered Infigon. So I really liked the support provided, which is like the sessions conducted, the type of guidance which is provided, also a personalized guidance, routine meetups, the meetings, the follow-ups. That is like the most valuable aspect, which also helped me increase my confidence, and actually helped me, gain or increase the confidence that okay, I can conduct quite a lot of sessions, and I can, be able to be a very good counselor. Right. So, like I told you, digital marketing was the area I always was unsure about. Maybe like one of the skills which I lacked in. So, getting people on board, and how to communicate them through various social channels. So, Infigon literally handheld, guided me from the very first step, especially in getting the first few students, and then gradually helping me expand and getting in touch with a lot of people around. So that was like the best support which I could get. Okay, so regarding the Inficon's product, I believe it's such that they do help a lot in helping the counselor at each and every step, guiding them, providing them with quite a lot of, maybe from the career library to different career paths, with the ongoing, maybe the career, the job market, how the future will look like, getting people which helps us or which train us in every aspect, from increasing increasing maybe our space or our the ways in which we can get to know people, get clients, and helping us boost the confidence, getting to understand our clients better, helping in the communications as well, like how to communicate with parents, with clients, and how to solve the queries with them as well. Okay, the enrollment process was quite good actually. It was very easy, I would rather say, because during the enrollment we had a couple of assessments. We had like a few assignments with a quite lot of support materials through which we could
Yes.
actually study, get to know every topic in depth, different type of personalities, different theories, the psychometric tests, how to read the test, how to understand the personality, lots of case studies, right? So actually, the initial steps were really good because I had quite a lot of data to go through, understand it better, and actually it was a very good option, or it was a very good, and
I'm
it's
really glad.
amazing.
Yes, go on, go
It's
on.
amazing actually. It's
Yeah.
very amazing. I also got to know that okay, there are different types of personalities, careers can depend upon them, and they would rather enjoy choosing those
Yes,
careers.
true.
So helping people around, I got to know, I understood people, and I'm really enjoying. So the website actually overall, it's a very good place. It also has the career library with over 1,300 career options, with also structured pretty well, and it provides a very good direct psychometrics tests, all the different types of tests which the people, once they enter or they log onto the website, you can go through it, you can see it, you can take up the test, and also it provides a AI tool which also answers your question. So it's not such that you have to pay for
Yes.
each and every point out there. No, it's a pretty self-help guide
Mm.
as well, the website itself. For the client point of view, also if you need
Mm-hmm.
a detailed help, you can book a counselor, you can I will be there to provide a very good detailed support for the parent and the student as well. So understanding each and every test,
Mm-hmm.
all the tests which we have, getting the result on the website, it's clear, it's precise, and the UI overall, it's very smooth, I would say. So it actually provides you a quite detailed, a depth, detail regarding how would you progress to it, what is the future you will be having, and what do you expect, what can you expect from that particular, from that particular career actually. So it's a very good place. So as a counselor, there are a few objectives which I think, which I actually aim to help to create a lasting value. First is provide clarifying their career path.
Mm-hmm.
They should set an achievable short-term and a long-term goal. And the
Yes.
next is my aim is to support skill development. So skill levels, it's such that I always aim at guiding my clients to build essential skills for their desired career path, which is really essential right now in today's job market.
Yes, yes.
And to get them prepared for both, for entry level jobs and also for the growth opportunities up ahead. And
Yes,
then we
true.
have then I always aim to boost their confidence and adaptability. So helping them build adaptability is one of the key traits actually for navigating to this ever evolving market and to new opportunities. And for the
Yes.
age group actually, I tend to focus on two, which is the high schoolers, which is from the age of 14 to 18, because they benefit from the
Mm-hmm.
guidance on academics and career path. And
Yes.
especially early decision making on post selection is rather very it's better actually. And
Mm-hmm. True.
second is the the young adults from the age of 18 to 25 years, because they are ideal for most in-depth career plan, and they can navigate post the secondary education. They have taken up an education, but you know to just navigate in depth, like within this career, what all within, if let's say engineering in IT,
Mm-hmm.
within IT, what can they go in for? Maybe the web development or the backend or the networks. What would be suitable for them? That is also one of the,
Yes.
I would say, something which actually people should look up to, and it's one of the best ways actually to get a
Mm-hmm.
career counseling for that. Right. So the first thing which I actually realized that there's an overemphasis on marks and ranks in the Indian society.
Mm-hmm.
So I face challenge of promoting holistic views of career success that goes
Mm-hmm.
beyond marks and ranks. So because we are a very competitive society in terms of marks, especially in 1 and 2 tier cities.
Yes, true. True,
So,
true.
so there's a huge competition out there, and people think that it's the only way you can achieve a career success only if you gain good marks, a good academic result. So that's also one of the reasons. The second thing, which is like the limited awareness and misconceptions. So this is one of the misconceptions that there's most of the people they find career counseling unnecessary in India, believing that
Very true. Yes.
academics achievement alone is going to serve or secure a job for them. And then, like
Mm-hmm.
we discussed, parental and societal pressure. So, it's like parents they have a strong preference for traditional careers, engineering,
Mm-hmm.
medical, and medicines and government job. So, as a counselor, I have to mediate these expectations and also help the student, right? And
Yes.
when we talk about students, actually, so there's a lot of peer comparison as well,
Very true. Yes.
which we have to deal with as a counselor
Mm-hmm.
and
True,
help them
true.
understand that what would be the career, like what they can find, they will be content with, they will be happy with, irrespective of what their peers choose. So I speak to them, I get to know their background, I understand what do they feel, what challenges they are facing, what fears they have, and what are they expecting from the future, or what do they aim for.
Yes.
And after the tests which we
Mm-hmm.
have, I get a tab, I get to realize, okay, the student has these traits, these personalities through the test result. I can figure it out more confidently. I speak to the parents. I get to get in touch with what are their expectations, and based on that, I try to mediate between both of them. That okay, this is most of the time it's such that parents are pretty stringent that they do want the child to be this and this, but whatever the child is, right, and
True.
based
Very
on the
true.
personality of the kid, I try to explain them, okay, we do have quite
Mm-hmm.
a lot of options out there, and yes, and based
Options.
on the child's academic results also plays one of the major parts, like what are their interest subjects which they are really interested in, and so they can be really happy
Mm-hmm.
up ahead. So mediating or counseling these students or helping them understand that what their future or what should they vision or aim at, that is one thing which I really focus on. So we have a website, Aspire Career Council, and we have Aspire Career Council. They can go in that, and then you have we have a very big career library. Wherein more than 1,300, 1,400 career options we have. You have quite a lot of personality tests, so people can log in
Mm-hmm.
to it, sign up to it. They can take up tests, then they can book up a slot, and we can start with the career counseling. The key benefits would be the kind of support which you get, the kind of data, or the kind of knowledge which I have gained. I would say it has totally transformed me as a person as well, because I get to know, I get to understand the personality of a person, get to know them better, communicate with them. How should I communicate with them? Also, I have gone through different
Yes.
case actually, understanding. So it actually does help me deal with quite a lot of different case studies, also helping me communicate with both the parties, the parent, the child, to mediate between them, getting to know their perspective about them, how do they vision their career to be, and hence guiding them. So it is one of the way they have provided us support and helped me, guided me to understand all these aspects. It's wonderful, I would say. And the support is always in. We do have quite a lot of meetups, and always whenever I have a single question or a doubt, or maybe something which I'm struggling up to, we just can raise a query. People are out there to help. It's a very good environment actually. A lot of people to help me become a very good counselor, I would say. So it's actually Infobond has helped me a lot actually.
Thank we are so glad to hear that you have enjoyed our services. I have enjoyed our product, our training program, because that's what we want. We want a positive feedback. And I would applaud your enthusiasm, the way you showed your enthusiasm in learning, taking initiative. So that's what helps, this is like a two-way relationship. Enthusiasm works both ways. So we're
Definitely.
also thankful to you for showing such great enthusiasm, and we're very lucky to have you with us.
Thank you so much.